All right. Now we're doing W3Schools HTML tutorial, HTML hex colors. So a hexadecimal color is is specified with something like this here, where the RR, this here, is red, the GG is green, and the BB is blue, and they're all hexadecimal integers to specify the components of the color. Okay. So we'll get into that in just a second. So hex color values. In HTML, a color can be specified using a hexadecimal value in the form just like we said before, where this, and this are the hexadecimal values between 00 and FF. Now here's the important part, all right? And this is the same as from 00 to FF is the same as the numbers 0 to 255, right? For example, FF and then 0000 is displayed as red because red is set to the highest value, which is FF, okay? Basically, if you don't know about hexadecimal, it starts at 0, then goes to 9, but then after that, instead of going to 10, it goes to A, and then to B, C, D, E, and then the final digit, which would be F, okay? And so just like you would get to 90 something, right? Instead of 9, it goes up to F. So F is the highest number that this can be, and F is the highest number this can be. Hopefully that makes sense if you don't know about hexadecimal. So basically, if you do this would be green. It's just like the other one where it would be 02550, okay? All right, so just the same thing as that. So if it's all black, all these would be zeros, and if it's all white, it would be all Fs, right? Just like when it's all zeros and all 255s, right? Hopefully you remember that. So we're gonna experiment by mixing the hex values. So it's just like we did on the last one. We move it around and it turns the colors. And you see right here, some of them, like this is C3 or B1, right? That's what happens when you get higher and higher in the decimals. Hopefully that makes sense. So here we are with this, same as the last video. Style equals, what is this? The quotation mark, background, hyphen, color, and then the colon and hexadecimal thing right here like we were looking at. And instead of the 255, it's FF. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. So let's come down here. Shades of gray is exactly like the last video. Let's go back. Exactly like the last video. And I guess this is the end of that. So let's go to the next one. And now we're on to HTML, HSL, and HSLA. And we'll see you next time.